I have unlimited Gmail accounts by literally doing nothing. If you want to get better at using AI, this one trick will make your life much easier. I know unlimited emails sounds like clickbait because most people don't know this trick. Google is a giant company, and of course, nobody can trick them. But we can create unlimited email variations using a simple trick called alias email. It's so simple that even an old grandma can do it. Let's see this in practice on Leonardo AI. First, go to Leonardo AI and click Sign In or Sign Up to create a new account. Then click the Continue with Email option. It will ask for your email. Go to your Gmail and copy-paste your email address here. Now put a dot after the first letter of your Gmail address. Then click Continue. It will ask you to create a password. Enter any password you like and click on Create Account. It has now sent a verification code to your Gmail. Notice that we changed the Gmail address by adding a dot after the first letter. Even after that, we still receive the verification code in the same Gmail inbox. Copy the code, paste it here, and click Continue. Now you can see we have successfully created a new account. Here, Leonardo AI stores this dotted Gmail as a different email address, but Gmail always ignores dots in the username, so the email goes directly to the main account. While Leonardo AI saves each dotted alias as a separate email, Gmail treats them as the same. Now let's log out and try again by changing the position of the dot. Sign in again. Then click Continue with Email. Copy your Gmail address and paste it. Solve the CAPTCHA if it appears. Now edit the Gmail address and put a dot after the second letter. Then click Continue. Create a password and click Create Account. You can see we changed the Gmail address again. Even then, when we check our Gmail inbox, we still receive the verification code. Copy and paste the code, then click Continue. Now you can see we have created another account on Leonardo AI using a Gmail address that technically does not exist. Leonardo AI stores each dotted Gmail differently, but Gmail ignores all the dots and sends the mail to the same main inbox. That is called alias Gmail. Now you will be surprised to see how many alias Gmail addresses you can create using a single Gmail account. To get all the alias Gmail variations in one place, copy the prompt from the Google Doc that I will provide in the description box. Paste it into ChatGPT and press Enter. It will ask for your Gmail address. The longer your Gmail username, the more alias variations you can create. I'm entering one of my longer Gmail addresses, and you can see it says, this Gmail can create over 536 million alias email addresses. ChatGPT cannot display that many addresses because the number is too large. Now let's try with a shorter Gmail address. ChatGPT shows 256 alias Gmail addresses. Copy all of them and save them in Notepad. This way, you can use unlimited Gmail variations for your AI tools, and you don't need temporary emails anymore. If you learned something new, make sure to subscribe for future videos. Check out this video, you will love it.